by Dr. Vishal. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kuldeep Bakshi. I am a part of Sampoorna Healthcare Society. Very warm welcome to all of you, and my sincere thanks to each one of you for spending some time to be a part of this dossier. Dear all, this program has been squeezed to a duration of 2 hours. The actual program is for a full 3 days. It's a 24 hours program. So what we are going to see here is a small dossier of the same. I've been an audience myself on a number of occasions, and I think the first question that every audience has in its mind is, why am I going there? What's the use of investing 2 good hours in a program which is a dossier? I'll try and brief you or tell you why we all are here through a small example. Let's assume that we're walking on a very busy road and we all are blindfolded. There is traffic all over, but we can't see anything. So we are walking blindfolded on a very busy road. The probability of any vehicle coming and hitting us is obviously very high. On the contrary, if I say the road is the same, but on this occasion we are not blindfolded, so the probability of anything hitting us or injuring us is definitely much lower. If I replace this very busy road with our day-to-day life, and I say that this road is our life, and the traffic that I was talking about is nothing but our daily health disorders, diseases, which can hit us at any time. So I am very much confident that through this dossier, our speaker for the day, Dr. Vishal Gaur, who's a pioneer in the field of healthcare, will usher us through this busy traffic and will try and ensure that nothing hits us. We are at least able to prevent ourselves through preventive healthcare things that Dr. Vishal will be sharing with us. Dr. Vishal comes with an experience of close to 14 years in the field of health, in the field of non-invasive orthopedics. After completing his degree in doctorate, Dr. Vishal Gaur has spent about 10 years in research in the field of health, and he holds a distinction of training close to about 30,000 people, employees of various PSUs, multinationals and ministries. And with great pleasure, I announce his small dossier for the CSY. And sir, thank you so much for organizing this lecture. May I please now call upon Dr. Vishal Gaur, the Director of Sampoorna Healthcare Centres, Delhi, President of Sampoorna Health Education and Research Society, Delhi. He is a visiting faculty to many government ministries, PSUs and leading MNCs. And his latest venture being Healing Naturally, which has 3 centers in Delhi, and we are aiming at opening about 47 more in Delhi quite soon. Dr. Vishal Gaur, please sir, please.
Thank you. Thank you, Kuldeep, for such a wonderful introduction. A very good evening to everybody. Rather, I would say very healthy good evening to everybody. Good evening. What happened? So today we are here to discuss something about preventive health, isn't it? Preventive health. What is this? Have you heard of health? Something called health? Or this is the first time you're hearing it? Heard of it? Prevention? So let us club it. Preventive health. What does it stand for? Please. Good preventive steps. Again, underline the word prevention. Okay. Prevention for good health. Again, underline the terminology prevention.
ये लड़का है, इसको दे दीजिएगा माइक.
Anybody else? The disease. Again, prevention. Underline the word prevention.
Yeah, it is proactive measures. One is reactive after something happens, proactive before something happens.
Exactly. So something.
Yes, preventive would be synonymous to proactive. Preventive health would be taking proactive health steps towards a better health.
So are we taking any kind of proactive steps towards our health? Anybody amongst us? In form of? exercises daily, okay?
देखता कहाँ है?
Yoga, meditation, diet, walking. That's great. Everybody is doing a wonderful job. Please avoid negatives. Very good. Positive thinking. Excellent. Let me give you a small brief. Why I've decided to enter deep into this preventive health. It was way back, like somewhere in 1996 when I joined my bachelor's. It was 2000 when I was giving my final year exam. And there's a question for me. It's a bit medical terminology, but I'll try to explain it to you. A treatment for a non-insulin dependent patient having grade 4 arthritis. What does it mean? एक ऐसा पेशेंट जिसको शुगर की प्रॉब्लम है और ऑलमोस्ट ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ नी रिप्लेसमेंट. दैट वाज अ केस फॉर मी एंड वी बीन आस्क्ड टू राइट एन आंसर फॉर दैट. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली बिकॉज माई नेम स्टार्ट्स विद वी, तो आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी कि वाइवा तो सबसे एंड में होगा. I don't know what went wrong, and the examiner said, let us start in the reverse pattern. And I was the first person. And in fact, I was starting my question with some of the preventive measures. And my professor, he just looked at my answer sheet and he said, what is this? You have not started your answer yet? And I said, I'm writing my answer. Prevention probably is the first part. He said, no. My question was treatment, not prevention. And I was shocked. I argued a bit. Sir, prevention is a part of our treatment program. He said again, no. Treatment means treating a disease. Prevention, as you said correctly. And that was the day which has changed my entire concept. Because the case study which I was going through, the case study which I was going through, the patient was somewhere about 54 years of age. And I asked him, सर आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या है? डॉक्टर साहब मेरे को 6 साल से डायबिटीज़ है. अंडरलाइन द टर्मिनोलॉजी, 6 साल से डायबिटीज़ है. ओके, अभी पता नहीं. डॉक्टर साहब अभी तो बोले कि इंसुलिन स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, घुटनों का दर्द सर ऑलमोस्ट 7-8 ईयर्स. अभी डॉक्टर ने बोला कि सर रिप्लेसमेंट कराना है. आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट 2000 when I was doing my final year, और मुझे मालूम था all those preventive measures by which you can revert diabetes and definitely you can stop the aging process. वहाँ से माइंड में सिर्फ एक ही क्वेश्चन आता था कि आज भी I think you must have aware of India is being a diabetic capital. Have you heard it? Are you aware of it? Why is that so? Largest diabetic people in India. Why? Sedentary means what? What kind of sedentation? That's it? Is the only lifestyle?
ऑन नहीं कर रहा यार माइक. गंवार को नहीं.
Okay. Anything else? Pardon? Lack of exercise. Exercise बहुत आ रहा है. Can anybody explain me what does this exercise means? Walking, jogging. Okay, let me put in different manner. कुछ लोगों को यहाँ पे सर्वाइकल रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है. सर्वाइकल पेन, लो बैक एक, नी प्रॉब्लम. सर्वाइकल के लिए कुछ एक्सरसाइज करते हैं मैम? Can just show me please? Okay, like this, like this, like this, like this. Are these exercises or movements? There's a Huge difference between movements and exercises.
जी
And the combination of
यहीं पे
these
खड़ा रहा
movements become activity. Activity तो हम पता नहीं दिन में कितनी बार करते हैं. तो exercise हो रही है, but हम कर रहे हैं. Exactly. We are doing exercises. We are following all our correct habits and dietary patterns and all. But still, where is the root cause? We always try to eliminate what? The symptom of the root cause. It's symptom of the root cause. Root cause? है यहाँ पे कुछ amongst us people who are taking medication for diabetes, hypertension? कितने टाइम से मैम? 6 years. 6 years. 7 years. किस चीज के लिए दवाई है ये सर? For what? Pardon? हाई ब्लड शुगर को कंट्रोल करने के लिए, खत्म करने के लिए.
May also be wrong. I am told that this is only controllable, not curable. That is what I have been told repeatedly.
And is it something to do with the genetics also? Because people they say it's a genetic.
No, I don't think so. Because in my family nobody ever had. And this also I developed. Let me tell you. I developed because I had a very severe reaction from allopathic medicine. Because of which I was bedridden for 2 years.
Okay.
And during that bedridden period of 2 years, it triggered off several diseases like blood pressure and diabetes, including
Okay.
before 2006. I never had any such problem,
डॉक्टर का काम
and neither my ancestors had any such problem. So it was the reaction to the allopathic medicine which triggered off all these diseases.
Anybody else?
In,
Maybe for hypertension, any kind of pain?
in my case, it was genetic here. In my case, my parents, my mother family, they were having diabetes, and of course, I was under a lot of stress also.
मैम कितनी एज में उनको डायबिटीज हुआ था आपकी मदर को?
Must to be around 50,
50.
50 or 45.
Then how it can be genetic? If something is happening after 50 years, can we say it's a genetic?
This
Or-
is what
yeah,
we
please.
understood actually. that-
Exactly. Can anybody tell me what exactly you mean by genetics? It's a study of genes. So diabetes is a study of genes? She said it's a genetic. Is it? Genetic disorders. Yeah, then probably it could be congenital by your birth. But no, that is not the case. You develop it after 50 years. So where is the problem? Can we say it's a genetic disease or it's a genetic modifying disease? What's the difference? Your genes can be modified anytime because of your external environment and your internal environment. It's not a genetic disease. It's a genetic modifying disease. Yes, yes. Because if it's genetic, then by birth it has to be on insulin. But if you are not onto insulin, it's never genetic.
But we are told that there are type 2 and type 1.
See, type 1 where you
is
inject
genetic
insulin
and one
externally.
is over the time you develop.
Exactly. See, diabetes, if you
But
broadly
diabetes is
classify,
more when it is hereditary.
see, if we go according to WHO, because we believe in WHO, not what other doctor says, what it says, if it has to be genetically modified disorder, if mother is having, the chances of you getting is only 19%, 1/9. And if your father is having, it's only 14%. If both mother and father having, 25%. That's it. That's it. What about that 75%, which is not there? Why we are more about this 25%? Awareness is not there. But what is interesting here, if I just talk about this human body, the hardest part is bone. अगर break हो जाती है, it takes only 3 months, lower limb, upper limb and 1.5 months. ये कौन सी बीमारी है जो 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, से हमारे साथ हैं एंड स्टिल हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि और रहेंगे. व्हाट वी आर टारगेटिंग इज द सिम्टम और द डिजीज. इज द सिम्टम और डिजीज. तो सिम्टम तो आप टारगेट करते रहिए, उससे फायदा क्या होगा? डिजीज तो आप टारगेट ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. खत्म कैसे होगी? कैसे खत्म होगी? Give me a slide change, please. Look at it very carefully. What it says, a city gets another mega hospital, healthy move. Rather, opening an hospital, I don't know whether we can say it's a healthy move or not. Rupees 1,000 crore, Medanta, Medcity in Gurgaon spread over 43 acres of land. Opens for public. As if it's an amusement park, come and fill it. Opens for public. But what has attracted me is, can we say opening a hospital is a healthy move? Exactly. Exactly. If we talk about healthy move, what I would say, or I think everybody would agree to it, prevention is always a healthy move, not the treatment. But I think we have Max, we have Apollo, we have Medanta, we have Fortis. ये हॉस्पिटल्स करते क्या है? क्या करते हैं? नहीं, बिल बनाते हैं वो तो मालूम है, बट और क्या करते हैं? कारण ट्रीटिंग दी, बहुत से टेस्ट करते हैं. बहुत अच्छा आंसर है मैम. किस चीज के लिए टेस्ट करते हैं? सपोज मैं बोलता हूँ डायबिटीज के लिए टेस्ट करते हैं और टेस्ट में आता है डायबिटीज है, तो क्या टेस्ट हुआ? That's true. ठीक है. If something is positive, underline the word terminology. You say diagnosis. If I talk about diagnosis in my terminology, what does this diagnosis say? What is the disease, or why is the disease? आपको डायबिटीज है, टेस्ट ये बताता है आपको डायबिटीज है, वो ये नहीं बताता डायबिटीज क्यों है. आपको बीपी है, कैंसर है, क्यों हुआ? तो जब तक ये नहीं पता चलेगा कि क्यों हुआ, आप ट्रीट क्या करेंगे? थिंक ट्वाइस. हम कर क्या रहे हैं? गिव मी अ स्लाइड चेंज प्लीज. This is what our health minister has to say. Please look at it very carefully. Every 10 seconds, I'll repeat once again, every 10 seconds one Indian dies and 2 people get affected with a disease called diabetes. थोड़ा सा मैथमेटिकली हम लोग प्ले करेंगे. 1 मिनट में 3 लोग इफेक्ट होते हैं. 10 सेकेंड्स में 1 मिनट में 6 लोग. फाइन, 1 मिनट में 6 लोग. 1 घंटे में 360. 24 घंटे में 1 साल में somewhere crores. In crores, it's not a joke. It's again not a joke. And we have all those topmost hospitals, Fortis, Apollos, everywhere. Still, this is the ratio. अच्छा, उसके नीचे मैंने कुछ डेट्स लिखी हुई हैं. Probably October 20th, 14th November, October 15th to 19th, 29 September, October 12th. कोई बता सकता है डेट्स क्या है? We celebrate these dates. It's a very good. Or same date is celebrated as a Children's Day also. Any other date? But ये dates जो हैं, in fact जो days हैं, ये celebrate कौन करता है सर? आपने कभी बनाया है 14 नवंबर? That's true. As a Children's Day, but as a Diabetic Day कभी celebrate किया है? चलो, let us celebrate today as a Diabetic Day. Exactly. कितनी अवेयरनेस आपको आज तक हुई है मैम? It's almost been 50 or maybe less than that. कितना आप डायबिटीज के बारे में जानते हैं कि आपको डायबिटीज क्यों हुआ? Tell me that. But any reason for that?
Yeah, I've been told by my doctor that is because of my hereditary factor. My father is diabetic, my mother is diabetic.
कितनी एज में मैम प्लीज?
And I asked the same question like what you said. And I was told that, genetically it has not been transmitted to you at the time of your birth. But since your father got it at the age of 45 or 50, now you also got it at the same time.
अच्छा मैम, एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा. आपके जो ग्रैंड डॉटर्स या ग्रैंडसन होंगे, उनको आप कब समझते हैं डायबिटीज होना चाहिए? आपके
That's what you keep getting worried, like.
You know what WHO has said? By 2050, I repeat once again, by 2050, every child born in India would be diabetic if things would go like this. I'll be discussing with you what things. By 2050, हमें तो चलो 50 years में, but शायद जब हमारे बच्चे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स बनेंगे, I don't know वो क्या देखेंगे. But still again, who celebrates these days? Solely pharmaceutical companies. क्यों? लास्ट ईयर इतने बिलियन मिलियन ट्रिलियन डॉलर्स का फायदा हुआ. कैसे फायदा हुआ? फायदा कैसे हुआ? बीमारी से. किसकी बीमारी से? एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन मैम, हम बीमार पड़ते हैं, इससे कितने लोगों को फायदा है? हॉस्पिटल्स, डॉक्टर, केमिस्ट, फार्मास्यूटिकल, इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज, डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर्स, प्लस. एग्जैक्टली. और हम स्वस्थ रहें, उससे किसको फायदा है? हमारे बारे में सोचता कौन है? कोई सोचता है? कैन यू नेम मी एनी सिंगल हॉस्पिटल इन इंडिया जो आपको यह बताता है कि आपको डायबिटीज ना हो, हाइपरटेंशन ना हो, ओबेसिटी ना हो, स्ट्रेस ना हो? होने के बावजूद भी ये नहीं बताता है कि वो आगे प्रोग्रेस ना हो, उसके लिए आप क्या करें? Am I right? कैसे सिस्टम में हम लोग हैं? चेंज.
तो ग्लूकोमीटर वाले का फायदा हो गया.
बिल्कुल सर.
ग्लूकोमीटर खरीद लीजिए.
एग्जैक्टली.
हाँ, उनका भी सही बात है. फिर दवाइयाँ प्रिस्क्राइब करते, उसके बाद बोले कि अभी तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, अब आप HbA1c करवाइए.
गुड.
उसमें पैथोलॉजिस्ट का फायदा हो गया. उसके बाद मेडिसिन देंगे, वो मेडिसिन भी कुछ दिन चली, फिर उन्होंने कहा कि ये मेडिसिन से काम नहीं चल रहा है. They will never tell you why it has happened.
I'll just give you, please sir, sorry to interrupt you because we have very less time. How many of us knows that हमारी जो ह्यूमन बॉडी है, there is a muscle called glycocytic muscles. Means उनका जो एब्जॉर्प्शन है वो सिर्फ ग्लूकोज है, उनका खाना सिर्फ ग्लूकोज है. And you stimulate those muscles. You stimulate those muscles, your glucose level would come drastically down. Can anybody name me that muscle or any exercise related to that glycocytic muscle group? Anybody amongst us? छोटा सा क्वेश्चन अगेन. जितने भी लोग रिक्शा चलाते हैं, साइकिल चलाते हैं, उनको डायबिटीज बहुत कम होती है. कम क्या होती नहीं है? Any reasons for that? It's basically your leg muscles which are completely dependent on your glucose. A simple fact. A simple fact. कोई बहुत बड़ी साइंस नहीं है. बट कितने लोगों को मालूम था? नहीं? Exactly. But again there is a difference. अभी घूमने पे आएंगे सर, अभी तो हम बैठे हुए हैं, अभी तो चले ही नहीं हैं. Welcome to it. Give me a slide change please.
चाहिए नहीं.
Slide change.
दिमाग भी नहीं है इसको.
Slide change.
क्वेश्चन खत्म हो गया तब दे रहा मैं.
Slide change.
चेंज कर दे.
Look at it please. कितने लोगों को मालूम था ये? Now talking about 50%. Please make sure. Sunlight cuts diabetes risk by 50%. कितने लोगों को मालूम था? चलो अच्छी बात है, बट कोई बहुत बड़ा साइंस नहीं है, कोई बहुत बड़ी फैक्ट नहीं है. Exactly. Why early Sundays?
इसको बुलाए दे यार, ये तो तमाशा कर दे.
No. Yes. Specifically B.
जाने की जरूरत क्या है इसको?
It's at
जब ये
peak
क्वेश्चन
from 10
करता है
to
तब जाना
2.
चाहिए.
So
जिसमें हाथ
probably 10, 11, 12 बजे वाली जो धूप है, कितनी देर के लिए? Near about half an hour, because what you need is 600 international units. That comes out to be at least 40 to 45 minutes of exposure to direct sunlight. 10 to 2, anytime. Yes. Ma'am, before 10 because UVB is not activated.
ओए,
That is because of vitamin D.
नहीं
I'll come to it. Exactly. एग्जैक्टली दैट्स ट्रू, बट हमारे लिए फिर भी पॉसिबल है कि बिकॉज हमारा जो इंडियंस का मेलेनिन लेवल है इट्स हाईएस्ट लेवल. स्टिल हमें वो बर्न्स नहीं होंगे, बट डेफिनेटली इट्स नॉट व्हेन यू एक्सपोज योरसेल्फ टू पीक टाइम इन समर्स एंड ऑल, बट स्टिल वी हैव स्पेशलिटी. 10 to 11 best change. This is what the latest study. Epidemic of vitamin D shortage puts Indian at high BP risk. That's what the author petition is suggesting. Expose yourself to vitamin D in form of sunlight. Deficiency also tied to cancers and bone problems. Change. Please, थोड़ा सा sensitive issue है, but discuss करना बहुत important है. बहुत ही हमारा IMA में डिस्कशन होता है डॉक्टर्स के अमंगस्ट कि क्यों हम ये इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देते हैं. Why prevention is not a part of treatment? The study says all. इस पे ज़्यादा डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे. Change. Unnecessary stents, usage by docs, used even when blockage just 30%. Change. Diagnostic test, often misused. Change. What is important is this now. Now I'm not talking about the diseases. I'm talking about the deaths. It's a global. 60% of deaths caused by chronic diseases where we have cardiovascular, having tobacco, less physical activity, consuming alcohol, diet, BP, overweight, cholesterol, cancer. Can anybody tell me कि इसमें से कोई भी ऐसी बीमारी है जो प्रिवेंटिव नहीं है या जिसको हम प्रिवेंट नहीं कर सकते हैं? Rest everything? Rest everything is preventable? Sure? Agree? Give me a slide please. Change. Change lifestyle, beat cancer. 40% of cancers caused by factors we can change. It's 40%. But question is, what to change and how to change? Everybody knows prevention is better than cure. But what to prevent and how to prevent? Any wild guesses? How you can prevent cancer?
अब ये कमेंट गायब हो गए, इशारा भी नहीं कर सकता इसमें. मोबाइल बजाएगा क्या?
Please? No tobacco, okay. Good. Good. सर नो अल्कोहल मत बोलिए, सबका दिल टूट जाएगा. नहीं, वो हेल्दी हैबिट्स में मैं बताऊंगा. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट पार्ट प्लीज. Supposed to be carcinogenic? No. I would come to it later on. Give me a slide please. Change. Look at it. बीटा कैरोटीन. सर पता है प्रॉब्लम हमारे शरीर से क्या है कि when we consume anything, your body doesn't have any calorie meter. जो लोग कहते हैं कि this much of calories, this much of intake, how you can well define those things? It's very hard. It's a vague terminology. Yes, definitely. Why not? Everything in permissible things, it's acceptable. Now, सबसे छोटी और बेसिक चीज मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करना चाहूंगा बिकॉज अभी समर्स भी गई है. आई थिंक आप प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स तो यूज करते होंगे घर पे, वाटर डाल के फ्रिजेस में रखते हैं. आप सर इस बॉटल के पीछे देखिए कुछ नंबर लिखा हुआ है. कितने लोग हैं जो अपनी बॉटल्स को पीछे देखते हैं क्या नंबर लिखा हुआ है? एग्जैक्टली. यस. गुड गुड गुड. देन यस. सो व्हाट डज दिस 1 2 3? एग्जैक्टली. एग्जैक्टली. हर एक बॉटल के नीचे लिखा होता है कि वो कितनी बार आप यूज कर सकते हैं. कितने लोग पढ़ते हैं? और जो नहीं पढ़ते हैं, दिस इज व्हाट द कैंसर अपडेट फ्रॉम जॉन हॉपकिंस यूनिवर्सिटी. डायोक्सिन्स, इट्स अ केमिकल प्लास्टिक दैट कैन कॉज कैंसर. आज भी जब आप जाते हैं किसी भी पैप स्मीयर के साथ, पैप स्मीयर कराया, ग्रोथ स्टेज ऑफ कैंसर, दैट्स इट. कॉज अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क. कहाँ जी रहे हैं आप? खाना हम जो इंडियन हैबिट्स में बनाते हैं, आई थिंक ये रिचुअल में भी है कि जब तक तेल से धुआं नहीं उठता है, छौंक नहीं डलता है. Isn't it? We call that smoke point. At that smoke point means your oil is becoming rancid. Means उसमें ऐसे chemical changes आ रहे हैं, खासकर अगर वो किसी starch के साथ club करेंगे, खासकर अगर आप उसको potato deep fry करके खाते हैं, it produces something called acrylamide. Again, very cancerous, carcinogenic. जितने भी आप माइक्रोवेव में प्लास्टिक्स यूज करते हैं, फॉल यूज करते हैं, ऑल जितना भी सब्सटेंस है रिलीज करता है बायस्फेनॉल ए, कैंसरस. जस्ट प्लीज मैम, अभी डिस्कस करेंगे धीरे धीरे, बिकॉज हर चीज के ऊपर एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क है एज पर इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड्स. व्हाट दे से, व्हाट दे प्रोजेक्ट, अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क. A big question. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. There are countries, but because we are Indians, here we are talking about our environment and conditions, what we are prevailing, so it's better to talk about our conditions. बाहर की बात में करेंगे. Not future. But again and again, please check the जो numbers उसके bottom के नीचे होता है, because it's 1 means you have to discard after 1 use, 2 means after 2. The highest is 7. You can reuse it again and again. Exactly. Fine. Change. So this is what we are here to discuss about. Can anybody tell me what does it mean? Preventive. Very good answer from his part. जी, डिजीजलेस.
गायब हो जाता है यार, इसको इशारा भी नहीं कर सकता मैं.
पॉजिटिव सेंस.
संजीव,
गुड. थोड़ा सा आप करीब आ रहे हैं. बेसिकली इट्स अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड which says just merely an absence of a disease doesn't say you are a healthy person. You should be physically,
कहाँ है तू?
mentally, socially. Yes. So, Paran? Definitely. But अभी तो एक ही health है जिसके पीछे सब भाग रहे हैं. Can anybody?
अब गया नहीं चल.
हाँ जी?
Physical.
Economic. अभी सब इकोनॉमिक हेल्थ के पीछे भाग रहे हैं और बाद में फिर वही इकोनॉमिक हेल्थ आपकी रियल वेल्थ के पीछे लगने वाली है. दिस इज हाई टाइम माय डियर फ्रेंड्स टू प्लीज मेक इट वेरी श्योर. दिस इज वेरी सेंसिटिव टॉपिक. चेंज. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी नो. प्रिवेंशन इज ऑलवेज बेटर देन क्योर. चेंज. Prevention of 5 major lifestyle diseases, what we'll be discussing here today: diabetes, hypertension, joint pains, obesity, and stress. Change through 3 simple steps: lifestyle adaptations, diet and exercises. Change. I would like to ask you these questions, which being frequently used by doctors. Number 1, related to diabetes. Sugar induces diabetes. Is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Then what induces diabetes? Lack of insulin. That is type 1, ma'am. आपके थोड़े से पॉइंट को मैं क्लियर करना चाहूँगा. There is type 1, type 2 and gestational. Gestational is जब प्रेगनेंसी में होती है, उसको हम बात नहीं करेंगे. टाइप 1 जो इंसुलिन के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होती है, यू हैव टू इंजेक्ट इंसुलिन. टाइप 2 वेयर इंसुलिन इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. नाउ द इंसुलिन इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. दैट मीन्स your islet cells of Langerhans means pancreas, they are stimulating good cells, but those cells are not efficient enough to control your blood sugar levels. Why? अगर ये आंसर आपको शायद 5-6 साल पहले पता चल जाता तो शायद आज मेरे को ये आंसर नहीं मिलता. सर, I'm having almost 6 years back, 7 years back, 8 years back. I'll come to that answer. Diabetic person should not eat sugar. Can you name me form of sugar, sir? Can you name me form of sugar? Form of sugar. Natural sugar. Pardon? Example? Okay. But why not Rasgulla, sir? We can have Rasgulla. Why not?
Rice and all that.
Potatoes and rice, but अगर हम कुछ specific part of India के जाएं, especially Eastern India, वहाँ चलता ही है ना.
Yeah, but generally they say that don't take it.
Okay. Sugar substitutes are the best. Any which is best? Anyone? Okay. Diabetes and hypertension is genetic. That we have cleared. Eat frequently.
Yes.
How much? It's not hourly I'm asking. What I'm asking is how much?
Small but
मेरे लिए इतना small. Pardon?
Reduce it then if this much is small.
It's basically your whole day intake that has to be divided into 6 or 8 parts. Remember, it's not small and big issue. Stop eating salt. BP में कुछ ऐसे ही बोला जाता है. Stop eating salt. Less. Normal कितना होता है ना? 1 teaspoon is normal. 2 to 3 grams. It's normal.
they say don't put extra on the salad. And
अच्छा,
don't
extra
put
on salad.
pickles and all that stuff.
बट वो एक्स्ट्रा की डेफिनेशन तो मैम टेस्ट के ऊपर आती है ना. अनकुक्ड सॉल्ट. बट अगेन नॉर्मल क्या है? कम और ज्यादा की डेफिनेशन तो उसके बाद आएगी. व्हाट इज द नॉर्मल इनटेक ऑफ सॉल्ट?
But if we sweat, we need salt.
Pardon?
If we sweat, we need salt.
5 grams in a day. It's according to taste or requirement. My goodness. Actually, why salt is restricted in BP? Why doctor says not to have salt? So what? Pardon?
Maybe the sodium and potassium balance controls the pressure, blood pressure, and by increasing sodium, it may be affected.
Exactly. This is what the property of a sodium. Each molecule of sodium attracts 4 molecules of water. Across the membrane, across the cell, you are increasing the volume. If it's blood, you are increasing the volume. So ultimately it's a output on your cardiac, heavy load. BP rushes up. ठीक है, बट स्वाद के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना है नहीं करना है? करना है नहीं करना है? अभी टी ब्रेक होगा तो मैं देखूंगा सबको. फिर अगर नहीं करना है तो इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट कैसे करेंगे? Can have high content of potassium salt. Sodium, potassium can have high content of potassium salt or low sodium diet salt. And restriction should not be, I think if, I don't know, if I'll say 4 then you limit to 10, if I'll say 2 then you limit to, but genuinely it should not, your body, believe me, doesn't require this salt. Can you guess how much? More than how much? Pardon? Doesn't require more than 400 milligram in a whole day. Yes. मतलब एक चम्मच का अगर वो 5 ग्राम का है, 1/5 पार्ट का भी half, that your body required, because all vegetables what you take contains natural salts. Ma'am, rock salt and all, see every salt they have a content of sodium. The only thing is we have to know how much content of sodium is there in that particular salt. It could be rock salt या जितने भी salts हैं, सभी में सोडियम तो है. We cannot say कि rock salt is better or this.
इसको बुला ले वापस यार.
सोडियम तो सभी में है.
इसको बुला ले. कोई क्वेश्चन.
Only obese gets diabetes and hypertension. I'll come to it, sir. I'll come to it. There are almost 200 slides. I think we have not covered, in fact, 10 slides. Yeah, very important question. Like people out here, anybody is having backache, neck ache? So, ma'am, first question comes, like it's a general opinion of people, like if you have backache and all, you have to use hard bed. It's right or wrong? Pardon? Okay, and if it's neck ache, so-called cervical, then shall we use pillows? Very good. Okay, if somebody is having backache, doctor always says not to bend forward. But if something falls down then? And if you have pain in knees also then? Ma'am, जिस दिन 1000 रुपया गिरेगा उस दिन पूछूंगा. Lie down. Practically not possible. But have you heard these things? या कभी practically सोचा है? बहुत ऐसे लोग होंगे जिनको कमर का भी दर्द है, घुटने का भी दर्द है, And why I'm asking you these small questions, I'll just come to my slides. Okay, when can I start exercising in cervical or back pain? Exercise कब करना चाहिए? दर्द में या दर्द के बाद? दर्द में या दर्द के बाद? सिर्फ एक ही मैम है जिसने मेरे को करेक्ट आंसर दिया है. मैम प्लीज. एक्सरसाइज तो 10 से पहले ही होनी चाहिए कि आपको दर्द ही ना हो. बट अगेन इट्स जनरल परसेप्शन की एक्सरसाइज कब करना है. घुटनों के दर्द में एक अगेन परसेप्शन आता है कि स्टेयरकेसेस क्लाइंब अप करें ना करें, करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए. एनी गेस? और मैम अगर कहीं आप रहते हैं 3rd फ्लोर 4th फ्लोर पर लिफ्ट नहीं है, देन व्हाट? चेंज? देन व्हाट मैम? मैम आंसर्स आएंगे, डोंट वरी. This is what I would like to make you people understand. I think you have heard of something called stress. Yes? What's that? Mental stress. क्या होता है? मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा मैम, ज़्यादा बिकॉज टाइम नहीं है. I was there with one of the leading PSU. तो वहाँ पे मैं उनके GM के साथ बात कर रहा था, तो फ़ोन आता है उनको. His daughter, she was studying in Manipal University. तो सिक्किम में लास्ट टाइम अभी अर्थक्वेक काफ़ी आया है. I was sitting with him, उनको फ़ोन कॉल आता है कि सर आपकी जो डॉटर हैं she was severely damaged in that earthquake and प्लीज़ आप जल्दी आ जाए. इतना बस कहना था और उनकी आंखों से आंसू, और बस जो भूला भरा कह सकते थे, भगवान को कोस सकते थे, जो भी फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड्स की मैं बात बता रहा हूँ. मे बी 1 or 2 मिनट्स के बाद उनको दोबारा फोन आता है, और सर बाय मिस्टेक इट वाज नॉट योर डॉटर. थैंक गॉड. आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट ही हैज थैंक गॉड, बट विद इन फ्रैक्शन ऑफ मिनट्स एवरीथिंग्स गॉट चेंज. व्हाट हैज चेंज? सब कुछ वही था. कारण just the thought process. And it takes only fraction of a second to change your thought process, and it's only who? It's you or any third person. Exactly. So to talk about all those parts, nahin, but जो important है is something called this. Have you heard of it? Now I'll come to an answer. आप लोगों को कमर का दर्द होता है, घुटनों का दर्द होता है, या गर्दन का दर्द होता है? क्यों होता है? अब मैं क्वेश्चन ये नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ किसको है या नहीं है, मैं पूछ रहा हूं क्यों होता है. Pardon? Those parts are overstressed. Yes, probably if you say cervical, अगर आप गर्दन को नीचे झुकाते हैं तो एक हड्डी ऊपर उठी होती है, right? Near about that area. Backache, automatically your hand goes like this. But very interestingly, backache में आप हाथ पीछे क्यों लेके आते हैं? Backache ऐसे क्यों नहीं करते? Very severe backache, sir. Why your hand goes back? अच्छा वो बैक है, ये फ्रंट है, तो फ्रंट में कभी पेन नहीं होता है. हाँ जी. अच्छा वो पेट में होता है, हड्डी में नहीं होता है. बट हड्डी तो एक ही है ना सर, आगे पीछे एक ही है. वो पीछे ही क्यों दर्द करती है? या स्पाइन. व्हाई बैक? क्लोजर एट द बैक. गुड. इट्स क्लोजर टू द बैक, देन इट गोज टू. Pardon? Exactly. But why the back is always confined to your lower vision zones? If you take your MRIs, it would say L5S1 or probably L4L5. L4L5S1, this vision only. Cervical, this vision only. Why these reasons? Change? Unsupported. Change? Look at this. No, back. Look at this. It's an MRI of sacrum and coccyx, usually this part. What does the impression says? It's mild hyperintensity precoccygeal region. Probably. It's something what MRI has diagnosed. What kind of stress now? It's MRI, which says. Now what is this stress? Exactly. That's what we are talking about. Change. अभी इस टर्मिनोलॉजी को भूल जाइए. what does this stress creates in our body? Something called wear and tear. I hope everybody understands what is wear and tear. Which leads to weakness, leads to inflammation. Inflammation has 5 cardinal signs: redness, warmth, swelling, pain, loss of function, resulting into your problems. हम लोग इस पूरे चीजों में क्या चीज टारगेट करते हैं? Which is a result of inflammation. We say drugs are NSAID, means non-steroidal. They are not a group of steroid group. Anti-inflammatory drugs. So we are just targeting inflammation. What about this? या डॉक्टर कहते हैं एक्सरसाइज करो, कर रहे हैं, बट कोई आपको ये बताता है कि ये वियर एंड टियर और स्ट्रेस मत क्रिएट करिए, तो डेफिनेटली ये तो बहुत लंबी चेन है, यहाँ तक तो बहुत बाद में बात आएगी. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली चेंज. दवाइयां भी हम लेते हैं तो दिल्ली सहित पूरे एनसीआर में नकली दवाइयों का 300 करोड़ रुपयों का कारोबार है. हम क्या खा रहे हैं, क्या ले रहे हैं, क्या हमारे साथ हो रहा है, क्या हमें लोग बता रहे हैं, इट्स अ कंप्लीट मेस अप. एंड व्हाट डज द WHO हैज टू से अबाउट ऑल दोस स्टफ? चेंज प्लीज. एज ऑफ सेफ मेडिसिन इज एंडिंग, सेज WHO चीफ. तुम्हारे पास ऑप्शन क्या बचती है? क्या ऑप्शन है? Exactly. That's true. Prevention. Change. This is what I would like to make you people understand. If I say diagnosis, what does it mean? Anybody? Pardon? Exactly. To know why is the problem, not what is the problem. Change. Now look at it. I'll be starting with the spine now. Spine means जिसको आप रीढ़ की हड्डी बोलते हैं. All together, can anybody tell me how many vertebrae you are having? हाँ जी? Exactly. उसमें से जो ऊपर वाली 7 हड्डियां हैं जिसको हम कहते हैं सर्वाइकल, बीच की 12 हड्डियां, what we say thoracic, T means thoracic, उसके नीचे lumbar, L means lumbar, and then sacral and coccyx. These are fused. इन हड्डियों के बीच में जोड़ नहीं है तो इन हड्डियों में कभी दिक्कत होती भी नहीं है, except this tail point bone, except this part. Maximum problem spine this area, L4, L5 or L5, S1, and cervical this area, C5, C6, C6, C7. Any guess why? I would like to call a person amongst you who sleeps on a hard bed and doesn't take pillow. Anybody? Ma'am? Anybody, please. Ma'am, please. Can you come here? I'm not going to operate you, please. Come here. Anybody? Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
प्रोग्राम करवाया था एक बार, मेरे को व्यक्ति पहचान गई.
देने को फोकस करना स्ट्रेट टेबल.
Evaluate very carefully. If I just stand against a wall, touching my heels to the edge of the wall, and I stand straight, there is a space behind my back, and there is a space behind my neck. And if at all, please evaluate me carefully, I have to touch my head at the backrest, I have to force it back like this. Am I standing straight? Probably I'm standing straight like this. Yes or no? I'm standing straight, just touching the backrest, but my head is not touching the wall. But the moment I lie down, I repeat once again.